When it comes to land surveying in Faridabad city, it is crucial to hire a professional and experienced land surveyor. A land surveyor plays a vital role in determining the boundaries and characteristics of a piece of land. They use advanced tools and techniques to accurately measure and map out the land, ensuring that all the necessary information is gathered for various purposes such as construction, development, or legal disputes. The expertise of a land surveyor in Faridabad city is especially important as the city continues to grow and expand rapidly. The role of a land surveyor in Faridabad city goes beyond just measuring the boundaries of a property. They also assess the topography of the land, identify any potential obstacles or hazards, and determine the best locations for infrastructure development. These professionals are well versed in using advanced technology, such as DGP sand laser scanning, to ensure accurate measurements and precise mapping. Their skills and knowledge are essential for ensuring that construction projects are carried out smoothly and safely. One of the key aspects of land surveying in Faridabad city is SCON design. SCON stands for Site Conceptualization and Orientation Design, which involves analyzing the site conditions and designing the layout of buildings or structures accordingly. This process takes into account factors such as the natural environment, surrounding infrastructure, and accessibility. A skilled land surveyor in Faridabad city will consider all these elements to create an optimal design that maximizes efficiency and minimizes any potential disruptions. By hiring a reputable land surveyor in Faridabad city, developers and property owners can save both time and money in the long run. Accurate land surveying ensures that there are no disputes or legal issues related to property boundaries, which can be costly to resolve. Hiring a qualified and experienced land surveyor is essential for land surveying in Faridabad city. A land surveyor is essential in defining a piece of land's boundaries and features. They correctly measure and map the property using cutting-edge instruments and methods to ensure that all the necessary data is acquired for a variety of objectives, such as construction, development, or legal challenges. Given the city's continued rapid growth and expansion, a land surveyor with knowledge is especially crucial in Faridabad. In the city of Faridabad, a land surveyor's duties extend beyond only determining a property's boundaries. They evaluate the terrain's topography, look for any potential risks or barriers, and choose the ideal areas for infrastructure development. To guarantee precise measurements and mapping, these experts are skilled in employing cutting-edge technology like DGP sand laser scanning. Their expertise is crucial for guaranteeing the seamless and safe completion of building projects. SCON design is a crucial component of land surveying in the city of Faridabad. Site Conceptualization and Orientation Design, or SCON, is the process of evaluating the site circumstances and planning the